Remove the 8 screws and their washers on the brush holder. Lift brush springs using brush hook. Lock the tool and remove brushes. Carefully place new brushes into contact with the commutator after having blown off the carbon dust. Unlock the tool and let the springs down very slowly until they are onto the top of the brushes. Check that the springs are correctly positioned. Connect the brush shunts and the connecting leads from the frame using screws and washers. Tighten the screws to a torque of 0.3 decanewton meters. Position the brush wires to be sure that they will not be compressed by the cover band and to allow the brushes to slide down in the guide during operation.